everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So we've got a very short project here for you. What we have to do, we have to import socket here and import time. Now to import socket, I think you might have to install this module using pip. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a program where we just type in domains, and then basically we get IP addresses from that. So what I've done here, I've created a list called domains because we're going to store the domains in here. And the first thing you can see here is a function which is called add domains. Now I've started off with a while true loop, and then added here a variable called domain and assigned it to input, and told the user to enter in a domain like www.com as an example. So once the user has done that, we then use the domains.append domain. So we append the domain name into this list here. Then we've got the conditional if domain is equal to exit. So if the user types in exit, we're going to break out of the program. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come into this function here. Now we do that, I've called the first function add domains, and then the second function here get IP address. So once this is finished doing its bit, it will automatically come down to here when it breaks the program. So this is called get IP address. Let me just see if I can fit it on the screen a bit better. Nope. So I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit. Okay, there we go. So we use the print command to tell the user domains are. And then we've got time.sleep for 1. So this basically will pause the program for 1 second. And then we're going to loop through the domains. So for domain in domains, and we're using an error handler here, so we start off with try. Then we create a variable called IP address and assign it to socket, get host by name, and the domain that we typed in up there, which will be in the list box. And then what we do is we print out the domain name and the IP address of the domain name using the F string to interpolate the information into those little between those brackets there. Then we come to the end of the error handler, except socket dot guy error here, and then what we do is we interpolate the error into an error message here using F string. So it will print error resolving, and then the domain here, so whatever the error may be, and the error usually is if the domain name doesn't exist or if it's down or whatever. So let's run the program and type in some domain names. Okay, so first one, okay, hit enter. That's random domain names. Hit enter. And now I just want to exit it. So let's exit. Domains are, and then we've got the domain names, and we've also got the IP addresses. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of code there, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below and drop me a comment, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.